Hello everybody. Today is December 12th, 2023. So I wanted to tell y'all something. So y'all probably know Christmas holidays is coming up. Family might be coming over. Friends, family might be hanging out for the Christmas holidays, New Year's holidays. So something that really needs to be done every time your family friends come over, get the house straightened. So every time my sister's coming over, let's see, I know my sister, my brother, my older brother might be coming over, my grandparents coming over, we're gonna have like little family gathering for Christmas holiday. So every year I like to make sure that the house is tidy and clean. So this goes for my room being clean, just in case if family might want to spend the night and they might want to chill. So in this video, I'm going to show you and tell y'all why it's good to clean up. So I'm going to clean up my room today. I already got my clothes in the washing machine drying up now. Now I'm going to vacuum and pre-shampoo my carpet. So, best performance, you gotta have a good carpet cleaner. Something not cheap. Well, if it is cheap, maybe it's not good of a deal. Just spend what you got. So I got a $200 carpet cleaner that I'm going to use, but in the $300, $400 vacuum. So I'm gonna vacuum my room very well, and then I'm gonna carpet clean. So without further ado, I'm going to pre-vacuum real quick. Alright, so first, before we vacuum, I like to pick up anything that might be close to my vacuum mat. Now I'm starting So once your carpet is vacuumed, I'm going to show you how to fill up the carpet. Alright, so I looked on Google. If you don't have carpet cleaning solution like this or carpet solution, this is the best thing to get. Dollar store cleaning laundry detergent. So you want to start taking the top of your carpet cleaner tank and start filling up hot water. Hot water So just probably like 3 cups of it, not full, you know. So I'm foam up your carpet. So if you're foaming your carpet will start breaking down. cups of the laundry detergent. Alright, so once that's full, here, top tank reservoir cap on, two latches. Make sure that's on right so the suction will be good. Like that. Like that. Alright, so once that's in, we're going to go straight up. Alright, so once you have your carpet cleaner plugged in, put the clean water tank on. Make sure it's in line with the brush roll. Window. We're going to refine it. Carpet cleaner. Turn it on. So once that first spot is dry, which it is pretty dry, I'm going to just go around a few passes with it. I'm going to empty the dirt water tank. I'm going to get this side cleaned up very well. Let me pause the camera real quick.